You got 10 bucks, right? Awesome! That's all you need to turn that into over 2,500 bucks in just 10 minutes. Forget all those myths that say only the big shot pros with loads of cash can rake in big sums. Some folk might think trading binary options is for the brainiacs or super geeks, but let me tell you, it's way easier than you might think. You don't need years of education. All you need is $10 and this video. Today I'm gonna show you how to make more than 2.5 grand in just 10 minutes trading binary options. Watch this video until the end and you'll discover how to pocket 10,000 bucks in just 1 week. So, kick back, relax, and let's dive in. Hey, what's up, future rich people? It's Simon here. I'm a pro trader for a solid 6 years, and for the past 3, I've been all about binary options. My win rate is 85.7%. Would you believe it? At just 27, I'm already a dollar millionaire. In last year alone, I've made over 1.2 million on pocket option. I can afford whatever I want. But let me tell you, it was not always this way. Not too long ago, I was that dude taking out loans to cover other loans. Now I've got my own place, that sport car I've been dreaming about, and I'm jetting off to new destinations every single month. First off, I'll set up the platform for trading. The trade lasts 1 minute. Investment amount is 20 bucks. Candle time frame 30 seconds. We'll take 4 currency pairs. And our star player, the MACD indicator. Why do we use indicators? Essentially, they help us spot significant price changes and the dominance of buyers or sellers in the market. The MACD, or Moving Average Convergence Divergence, is super popular for identifying trend strength and providing various trading signals. It's simple. We've got green and red lines plus a histogram, bars of different colors. The green is the main line and the red is the signal line. When the green line crosses the red from below, it indicates a bullish trend. At this moment, you should buy. If, on the contrary, the red crosses the green from below, it means we've caught a downtrend and it's time to sell. When the lines intersect, it means that the trend is about to change. If it was bearish, it becomes bullish and vice versa. It's all very simple. To trade effectively, it's crucial to boost your theoretical knowledge. That's why on my Telegram channel I share info about indicators, reveal trading tips, and discuss mistakes and screw-ups. All absolutely free. Plus, I share my trading signals daily with more than 10,000 subscribers. We trade every day and my followers are getting results just like mine. Some have even moved into new apartments, helped their families, and in general, many have drastically changed their lives. You can also enter trades using my signals and simply follow my lead. I give my signals every day. Subscribe to the channel using the first link in the description or the first pinned comment. But it's time to put what we know to the test. Let's move on to trading. Canadian yen. The MACD signal line is still hanging above the main, and even though the histogram hints that the trend's power is fading and might flip soon, on a minute time frame it's not likely to shift. We go lower. Neatly, sharply and stylishly, I pocket an honest 38 bucks. Moving on. Aussie and Kiwi are hitting the resistance level with strong surges again. The main and signal lines are intertwining and I'm anticipating a bounce. Going lower. Looking back at past line crossovers, they perfectly match up with the upwards and downward movements. Meanwhile, my accurate chart interpretation boosts my deposit, $73, keeping it rolling. Aussie franc. With the main line below the signal, it makes sense to expect more downward movements. Though I see intense impulses on the chart signaling market volatility and risks, but still lower. And that's a rollback. That sometimes happens in trading, especially with high volatility, but the key point, a rollback is not a loss, so keep smiling and push forward. Aussie Canadian. Here the price is reluctantly dropping and the main line looks set to cross the signal, so I'm going higher. By the way, my Telegram channel has over 10,000 subscribers and every day I post dozens of signals that I trade on myself. Just today, my subscribers and I made an impressive result of 431,000. You could have been one of them. You'll find the link to my channel in the description of this video. Don't waste time, join my Telegram channel for free and join my trading sessions today. I've got $140 in the account now. Keep watching. Canadian and yen are back with me. The price should head up according to MACD indicators, so I'm investing for an increase. Wow, another rollback. The market insanely volatile today, but no worries. The main thing is we see how effectively I can use the indicator, even in such interesting conditions. On the Aussie Kiwi, the bulls are actively resisting the price drop and the main line is looking to jump over the signal line. That means the price will rise, press higher. Very good. Moving on. Aussie franc. The chart shows a clear trend reversal upwards. The main line dominates. I confidently go in for an increase. Following the last green candle, my earnings soared to $516. And here's the Aussie Canadian in a tricky spot. The pair again cannot break through crucial resistance level and the indicator lines are in an interesting mix, so we're going lower. And just like that, I've reached $991. The Canadian and yen are making some unsure moves upwards. I'm guessing there's still a bounce down coming our way on the minute time frame. Time to go lower. Yeah, my bank is at $1,903. Pretty good, but let's wrap up this session on a high note. Aussie Kiwi. Looks like the upward movement is done. The MACD main is getting closer to the signal again, and the histogram bars are shrinking. I go lower. This indicator is mind-blowing. Awesome! With this indicator, even super volatile market don't scare me. Today I made $2,823 from just $20. If any of you can throw me some options where you can make more than I did for the same time? 7 years back I chose to make a revolution in my life, and by now I've made over $1 million trading every day. I've already bought my own house and car and I visit a new country every month. But you know, wealth is just one part of the joy. My passion is helping others change their life. The recipe is simple. Tips, deals and efficient signals that I use myself I give to my subscribers. They just copy my trades and have already achieved impressive daily rewards that exceed their monthly salary. Here are some reviews from my channel members. And like I said, just today my subscribers and I made an impressive results of 431,000. Wanna trade with me and get the same results? 2 simple steps. Subscribe to my Telegram channel using the link in the description. Send me a direct message. What's next? I'll personally show you everything, right down to each button you press. Trading with my support won't cause you any problems and it's absolutely free. Don't miss your chance to change your life. That's it for now. Catch you later.